Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where sound should come from and why it might be muted. Open your sequence, play the clip, and watch the audio meters. If they move, Premiere hears sound. Next, check the clip's audio channel mapping and the track's input. Mismatches silence playback. Then open Preferences Audio Hardware to ensure the correct device is selected and the sample rate matches your media. Once done, you'll know whether the issue is routing or missing audio altogether. Now you inspect track-level controls to find hidden mutes. If a track is muted or another track is soloed, your audio disappears. Disable solo and unmute the track you want. Then check clip gain and track volume faders and scan for keyframes that drop level to inf. If you've applied effects, toggle them off to see if a plugin caused silence. Finally, render audio or export a short test. Rendering can reveal processing errors that affect playback. Finish by exporting a short segment to confirm whether audio is present when rendered. This separates playback bugs from export issues. If export shows audio but timeline does not, clear media cache and delete peak files, then restart Premiere to refresh waveform display. If nothing plays anywhere, relink or re-import the source and test the original file in an external player like VLC to rule out corrupted media. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio still fails, toggle the audio hardware buffer size and switch driver models to reset the device handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.